it's all because of me.
When my man blows the whistle, you guys unbuckle, you get out, we run around, and we rebuckle, and you put your hands back up. The moment all that happens, and then we do it again. So are you saying that Lake Creek High School actually came to you and wanted to run this and have this out here?
Yes, they came to us and said that they wanted to do a seatbelt awareness event, and I said, well, what can we do to make it better?
You guys don't attend this school, correct?
We attend the school, yes.
It's a mature group. It's the mature group.
We're the mature group.
Okay, hey, not old. Everyone learns at their own pace, guys. Mature, so no big deal. So have you guys come up with a team name?
Yes, we are the Hot Mess Stress Express.
Yeah! That's right.
You better move! Let's go, P. Come on, P.